I, a divine being, is the most elevated creation of God. Human soul is the most blessed and elevated creation because it has the power to discriminate between good and bad. But in the long journey of life, many life and death, I, the soul, lost my power to discriminate accurately, and I started saying, anger is needed, fear is essential. These are powers too. On one side, we say anger damages the body, fear damages every part of the body, and then at the same time we say it benefits us. Our intellect has become corrupt, polluted. Only one being, the highest on high, truth, the one that does not take human birth, is beyond the cycle of life and death, is the only one that has a pure and powerful intellect. At every step of our life, we are making decisions, and one wrong decision spoils our destiny, takes away the power from the soul. So let's connect to our eternal parent, God. A tiny point of light, golden red light everywhere. And I, the tiny soul in front of the Supreme Soul, the highest frequency, our vibrations are touching me, healing and rejuvenating me. As the soul stays in the company of the truth, its own truth starts emerging. Its mind, its intellect, and its subconscious starts becoming pure and powerful again. every step in our life, we are creating thoughts and making decisions, relationships, health issues, work. Nothing can succeed if we don't create the right thoughts and make the right decisions. And by connecting to the divine, not only do our thoughts have positivity, but they have a depth, clarity, and my decisions become accurate and timely. So, thank you, my eternal best friend, the best coach, guide, healer, for taking care of me, for being there for me. A better version of me was not possible without you, my eternal Father. I am the luckiest child, the soul that has a divine inheritance from God Himself.